Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome, and if you're an old supporter, thank you for stopping by once again. And if you that is watching for the first time and haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family. And if you're like me, I get excited about small stuff. I get excited about shopping. I get excited about things, okay? So I always order stuff off of Aliexpress. Small things like eyelashes, small things, gadgets, all those tiny things I order off of Aliexpress. And when I got to my mail today, I saw I had like small packages. And the funny thing about if you're ordering from Aliexpress is you don't even remember what you ordered because it takes forever to be delivered. It takes about 2 weeks, so you have to have a lot of patience when ordering off of the site if you haven't already. For a person like me, I know I might have eyelashes there because I always stock up on my eyelashes so I never run out of. Because the most annoying thing here is I would never go to the shop to buy an eyelash because it is so expensive. I see eyelashes like $8 for one pair of lash. Are you kidding me? When I can get like a whole box off of Aliexpress for like $1.50, $2. It's just insane. So I always buy my lashes, or I always get my lashes off of Aliexpress no matter what. And the one I'm wearing today is Aliexpress. Every eyelash you're gonna see on me is from Aliexpress, except if somebody gives them to me. So the first package, I got two tights, or I ordered two tights. So this is the first one, and I got these in a size medium. I'm not gonna try them on because today, right now, I just cannot be bothered. So you say it's Kapow, I think, but it's such a nice print. I really like this, and I think this only cost me like $5. So, and the fabric is really good. If you can see, it's a little bit stretchy, not too much. But it's nice for $5. I think this is a steal. And as you can see right here, there are actually no brandings. Oh, where is the size even? Okay, but I know I got this in a size medium. And the next one I'm going to show you is another tight. And this is in a black and white. Black, white, and a blue. This too is in a size medium. It has the same fabric. I think it's really actually good quality. The only thing I would have loved is it could have been a little bit more stretchy than this. This is not stretchy at all. But other than that, I think it's really nice for the price. It's not the best fabric out there though, but it's okay. For the price, you can't really complain. Next one I'm gonna open, just right off the bag, I think it's gonna be an eyelash. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It actually is. Oh my god. These are so pretty. I know to some people it might seem really long. Oh my god, these are really nice. It says 3D 305. And they're really nice. They are sparse. Oh Jesus. And thick at the same time. But the thing with these lashes is that they look kind of scary off the packaging, but when you put them on your eyes, they're actually really nice. It looks a little bit minky, like there's some mink lashes. I don't remember the prices of all this stuff, but this is cute. Let's open the next package. It's so exciting because I don't know what's gonna be in the next one. Yeah, more eyelashes. And these are they're almost the same, but these ones are a little bit thicker. Let me get it off the side. See? No, they're different. Actually, they are different. So, and if there's anyone that wants to see like an eyelash review / try on, please tell me in the comment section below so I can do a try on for you. And look at what I got next. This, I think this is an eyeshadow, and it is packed really well in a bubble plastic wrap. There is no way anything would have happened to this one. It's really packed well. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. I just want to rip everything right off and see what's in there. Okay. So, this is what I get straight out the bag. And I'm gonna open it to see if we're gonna have some ashy eyeshadows or some stunning ones. Is this even, yeah? So it says nude, stunning, lang, money, whatever that means. So, oops. Oh my god, yeah. Oh yes, these are some stunning colors. I love this kind of color. I love these. I love this. 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 And these you can use at the crease. No, not crease. This you can use to highlight. This is stunning. Maybe I'm just gonna swatch some of them. And that was this color right here. This one. They have a little bit of a fallout, but that's okay. And the colors are really pigmented. And that was this one right here. Let me try this. Wow, do you see that pigmentation? Let me try this one. Right there. These are not bad at all. These are really, really good. See? So I'm just gonna get a thumbnail. So that was the colors, and look at the pigmentation. Just gonna find something to clean my fingers. I'll be right back. So let me open the next one. Eyelash, I think. Yeah, I go crazy on them eyelashes. This one looks scary. This one looks really scary. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do an eyelash try on because I have so many different kinds of eyelashes at home. I have like a bag full of, I'm crazy. I just keep buying them. Look at these. These ones are long. I didn't think they were gonna be this long. They are definitely some 25 millimeters eyelashes because these are really long. Wow. Okay, let's open the next one. And after this one, I think I only have one package left. Oh my god, some more eyelashes. These are cutesy. These ones, they are not as scary. Let me drink my coffee. Oh, that feels good. Can you see these? These are so nice. These are pretty, but they are long as well. But I'm not scared of long eyelashes. I'm actually not scared of long eyelashes. But I don't want the spider thing. And the last one I have here, I have no idea what that is. Let's see. Oh my god. For my eyelashes. You see? It's a whole set. Different types. You see this one right here? Okay, let me do a thumbnail. Okay, you see there are different. I had ordered these some years ago, I think about 5 years ago, and I'm still using them until today, but I only have like two or three left. So this comes in very handy for me because I cannot put on my eyelashes without tweezers. And there's this one. And there's this one. This one's a little bit sharp. And there's this. This one and this one, they look quite similar. See? Or maybe not. Maybe not. This. I'm gonna show you the ones that I think look similar. But they're all different though. Yeah, but I really needed them. So thank you for watching this very short video of me unboxing my goodies from AliExpress. Definitely leave it in the comment section below if you want to see an eyelash try on from moi, because I have a lot and I have a lot more where I stack my eyelashes. So if you want to see a try on, just tell me in the comment section below and I'll make sure I do that. I'm sorry, I got my shirt stained. Anyways, thank you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.